Search your app store of choice for the FirstLink application by searching for Bodine FirstLink. Click Install and open the app when it's ready. The FirstLink app loads and you are greeted by the terms and conditions. Click Agree and then Continue. When first opening the app, you'll need to register. Simply enter your email address and click Next. The app will send a code to verify your email. Check your email, then enter the code to log in. Finally, enter your name and you'll be taken into the app where you can create your first project. Click New Project, and in the next video, we'll show you how to build your project in the app.